Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make ramen step by step. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need your favorite instant ramen, which usually includes noodles and a seasoning packet. Don't forget any extra toppings you love, like a soft boiled egg, some chopped green onions, or a few slices of roasted pork. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's cook those delicious noodles. Pour about 2 cups of water into a small pot and bring it to a strong boil. Once the water is bubbling, carefully add your ramen noodles. Stir them gently to ensure they cook evenly. Let them simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until they are perfectly tender, just how you like them. Next, it's time to create that flavorful broth. Carefully drain most of the water from the pot, leaving just about 1/4 of a cup with the noodles. Then, add your seasoning packet and stir it well until it's completely dissolved and the aroma fills your kitchen. This is also the perfect moment to gently incorporate any pre-cooked toppings you have. Finally, it's time to enjoy your culinary creation. Carefully pour the hot ramen, including the noodles, broth, and all your wonderful toppings, into a sturdy serving bowl. For an extra touch, garnish with some fresh chopped green onions or a dash of chili oil. Serve it immediately and savor every warm, comforting spoonful of your perfectly prepared ramen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.